The following series of videos are designed to help you communicate a little better on your school trip to Australia. The first video is on places where you are going to in Australia, where you are from in Japan, and some important differences in the size. Firstly, where is Japan compared to Australia? Well, it is almost on the same longitude, which means there is only a small difference in time. You're going to the area around the Gold Coast, so it is only a 1 hour difference in time. When it is 6 o'clock in Tokyo, it is 7 o'clock on the Gold Coast. The direct plane flight down to the Gold Coast will take around 9 hours. It goes over some very beautiful tropical areas, so try to look outside just as you get near Australia. Now, please remember, Australia has a very, very big land area. Almost 20 Japans can fit into Australia. And that's almost 5 Japans in the state of Queensland alone. And that's where you're going. So, that means that it takes a very long time to get from one place to another. However, there really aren't that many people living in Australia. So the population is quite small compared to Japan. You may not notice this when you go to Brisbane or Surfers Paradise on the Gold Coast, which is where your hotel is. But you will notice it when you go on your farm stay. So it will take around 1 hour to go to your farm stay from the Gold Coast, and another hour from the Gold Coast to Brisbane. This is considered to be not very far in Australia. There are also a lot of empty spaces and very big fields. There are also a lot of different animals that live in these bigger areas. In another video, I will talk about some of the animals that you may see. There are some very dangerous animals, but not all are dangerous. Recently, it hasn't rained much in that area of Australia, so it may look really dry and brown. It certainly rains less than in Saitama. When you are on your farm stay with your host family, they may have tank water and ask you to save water. This means that you have a shower for a short time. Listen very carefully to your host family about this.